of the world's top financial centers, at present is heavily constrained in its airport infrastructure. To cope with future demands, the government has proposed a second airport in Navi Mumbai and appointed City and Industrial Development Corporation (CIDCO) for its implementation. CIDCO, building the future, enriching the present is our work ethos. Raring to take on mega projects in infrastructure, transforming land into life. The airport is planned with 2 parallel runways, 3.7 kilometers in length and 60 meters wide, along with end-to-end full-length taxiways and rapid exits. Efficiently designed terminal building along with concourses are in H-shaped concept. The terminal building works as a central processing unit to the 2 concourses, each 1.3 kilometers long, located on either side, connected to the terminal building by bridges. There will be 81 contact gates and 29 remote parking stands for passenger aircraft. The 100-meter tall iconic ATC tower is located at the north of the terminal building. The NMIA is compliant with ICAO Aerodrome Code 4-F to handle super jumbo jets like the A380 and B747-8. On the way to the terminal, there's an innovative interchange loop for service road traffic, followed by the taxiway bridge. The metro enters the terminal building at the apron level. An outbound passenger will alight at the departure level of the terminal building and passing via the vestibule entrance gates will enter the main departure hall. Once checked in, the passenger will climb down 1 level to move either to the international or the domestic concourse. The connecting bridge will lead to the respective concourses. To access the boarding gate, the passenger descends 1 level and arrives at the grand double-height holding areas and the privilege lounges, awaiting the final call for boarding. At NMIA, the airside facilities and movement of aircrafts are planned to be smooth and efficient. Located approximately 40 kilometers from the existing Mumbai Airport, 47 kilometers from South Mumbai, and about 45 kilometers from the western suburbs, the Navi Mumbai International Airport will be provided with enhanced connectivity, ensuring easy and quick access. The Mumbai Trans-Harbour Link, one of the biggest infrastructure projects proposed in MMR, spans 22 kilometers across the open sea, connecting South and Central Mumbai to the airport, making it possible to reach NMIA within 30 minutes. The NHAI along with JNPT and CIDCO is actively working on capacity augmentation of NH4B, Amramar and SH54. The work on widening of the Sion-Panvel highway to 10 lanes plus service roads is already underway. A multi-modal corridor project, an 8-lane road with a metro along the central verge from Virar to Alibag with a connection to NMIA is proposed. The implementation of the proposed metro corridors are all on fast track. To add to this is the grand plan of activating the potential of passenger water transport connecting Mumbai Island to Navi Mumbai. NMIA, the mega project, is being built on a public-private partnership model, with the private sector holding 74% equity in the proposed special purpose vehicle. The balance being held by the Government of Maharashtra through CIDCO and the Airports Authority of India. NMIA, it's an idea whose time has come.